Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to change story background color. So let's get started. After getting the application, move to the story part by tap on the plus icon up here and choose story. Now you can choose from your gallery or just make a live picture. So I'm gonna choose from gallery, and of course you can download any picture you want. Now tap on these three dots, then choose the first option or draw. And from here you can choose any color you want. You can also make a long press on any color. And once you find the color you want, take off your finger from the screen. Now make a long press on the screen from any point. And once you're done, tap on the Nike symbol. As you see here, the background has covered the story picture. So to show it, simply upload the picture again by tap on the sticker icon and scroll down till you find the Add Picture sticker. So tap on it and choose your picture. You can control the place and the shape of the picture by tap on it. And in case you want to change the color, simply follow the same steps. And as you see here, the background doesn't cover the story picture. And this is it. This is how to change background color in Instagram story. Thanks for watching. See ya.